So you compile the list.
All right,
What do you have?
let's start off with one that's obviously quite popular. Is there a cure for cancer that they are keeping secret?
It's always
Love
they.
it. The they.
They.
Yeah.
They being the pharmaceutical companies and the government researchers and the university researchers collectively, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people.
Because
There's
it's easier to make money off of the treatment than it is the cure.
Yeah.
And I'm like, clearly you know nothing about pharmaceutical companies. Because let me tell you something, if they had a cure for cancer, it'd be like, yes, we have the cure. It is $1 million per pill.
And that happens. That's part of the answer. There's a few ways to answer this question. One
Yeah.
is the biology of the cancer itself. One is from the pharmaceutical company's perspective, and one is from social media perspective. But certainly, like you're saying, there are cures for some cancers.
Right.
You can't consider all cancer one thing. It's hundreds of different diseases. There will never be a treatment for all cancers. But we have right now some really, really good treatments for cancers, where 50 years ago, 70 years ago, survival rates were basically 0%. The most common pediatric cancer, acute lymphoblastic leukemia, ALL, literally from 0% in the 1950s. Today, it's something like 90% success rates with treatments.
Wow.
And in the 10% of patients who don't respond well initially, there are backup treatments like CAR T-cell therapies, which happen to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, but are super effective.
Yeah.
And so the point is, over time, research does develop treatments for specific cancers. When they work really well, you can charge lots of money. And you can bet that if pharmaceutical companies could sell that treatment for all cancers and multiply their market size by 30-fold, they would be jumping at the opportunity to do so.